Hello.
I take my hat off because it's just a habit. You know, I gotta take my hat off because I gotta be honest with y'all. You know?
No cover.
Come on, be honest, girl. I'm even taking my bobby pins out. They don't stay that way.
Free yourself.
What? Take my vest off.
Okay.
Go easy now.
Right.
We not at that point yet. Gotta give more time. I am very grateful. I'm so grateful for every eyeball in here. I acknowledge that we all are one being, studying itself, entertaining itself, you know. We are all one being, breathing through so many different mouths right now. We're like one of those, like, you know how an octopus has like mad different legs? We're like a human billion puss. Oh my God. Jesus! Wow! Oh, gee, I want to first give a shout out to my mom, who's right there. You know, she's so beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm so blessed that she's here and alive and present.
Yes.
I want to thank you to my tribe people who are here in this space. Like, OMG, hello, beautifuls. And I want to thank also all the performers because y'all just energize me so much. And I'm so glad to be energized, even with every clap I hear, energized. And this poem I'm going to share with y'all is a poem I memorized today. So you know I'm going to be freestyling. And it goes like, no more games to play. No more games to play. Because I've seen your blood running through my veins and I caught it. No more games to play.
No more games.
I've seen your blood running through my veins and I've caught it. I've heard you telling me all your stories through the floor and the door.
Come on, lady.
You keep messaging me, I'll answer. You keep egging me, I'll banter. Now I'm weaving together. I'm weaving this thing together. It's an accurate present that honors all of our history. Because for the flesh of me, I can't not make us one. I can't make my name longer or stronger for you to recognize me by ear. Deep inside you heard the word, and your soul ain't hurried in fear. I am the evidence of my being, my body right here. I bunch up cold, I bunch up small because I'm cold. That means where I'm from was warm.
That was it. You know? Every time for power.
If my body is dressed naked, that means where I'm from was womb. My body is a temple where I left this tomb. Resurrected sea, earth kept in doom. Sky never shine, but soft air loom. Open the sky for light to zoom.
Go ahead, Jude.
Never shine, but soft air loom. Time is not a tool, it's just another room. Create a space for place where everything got mind to see and know. And praises to the moon make the goddess swoon. Talk nice to masters for the feet and to fall upon the plate. And nourish yourself so that you don't have to harness hate. Woo! Get it.
Nourish yourself.
Yeah, get that.
Yeah, we got it.
Go ahead, 11.
Summer come, winter and fall. Falling ain't so bad after all. Autumn grace be healed. Verdict cold brew on the sun we call. Have the sun burn our flesh in the same likeness. And thin the joy fit into every common heart, into every open chest. Test for the pest that won't swap. Best for best, no swap. Met for met, I set out to let darkness halt.
Come on now.
Halt. Give me love free, cause it can't be bought. sex exchange for the exhale of change, changing you, animation, naming you.
Stop it.
Coming of age, renaming you. If the earth is heating up, it's no use in blaming you. We are the collective I and you. Listen to every word I say, because it do be true.
It do be true.
If I die today, exit I may into my own existence. Everything I exhaust, exhale, exchange, profones. I made that word up. Profones. Profones. Affirms and proclaims. It's no games to play.
No game.
Where I sat, I come and lie. With my stomach to the sky, I'm ready to die. As I lay here, I ask myself why. Does the world not join me in surrender and service? Fellow gods, do you walk in your purpose? Fellow gods, do you walk in your purpose? Or are you getting mixed up in the portal that leads you to worthlessness? Fellow guys, are you walking?
Fellow
Are you
gods?
moving? Are you talking? Are you being in your purpose? And if you aren't, then what are you exhibiting? What are you empowering if you aren't walking in your purpose every hour, every 24/7? If you're not moving and acting and doing in your purpose, what are you here for? Fellow guys, are you walking in your purpose?
God.
Or are you treading through portals of worthlessness? Test for the pest that won't swap. Best for best, no swap. Rest for rest till my heart stops. A fleeting tick-tock. I throw away my worries with my wristwatch. But here I'ma stop.
But here.
Because I heard somebody call the cops.
Right.
911, yes, those are the ops that are enforcing laws that are enabling capitalism and the criminalization of the earth body and human soul.
Come on now.
It was like noise when I said it, so I'm going to say it one more time. This is such an important thing I just said. 911, yes, those are the ops enforcing laws that enable capitalism and the continuous criminalization of the human body and earth soul. Of the earth body and human soul.
Say it now.
The consistent criminalization, destruction, and sublimation of the human body and earthly soul. It is a program of fear. It is a game.
It's a game.
It's fear and it rests in the up here. But we got to learn to read and we got to learn to see.
I say.
We got to learn to read and see through the corneas of spirit. And when we do that, we can learn what we are naturally inheriting. What it is our due diligence to inherit. We won't be confused no more when we learn how to read.
That's right.
And see through the cornea of spirit and do it together in a collective body.
What I'm talking.
It is not a matter of tomorrow or yesterday.
Not a matter of tomorrow. Okay.
Because our hands are on the buttons right now. It's not a matter of being younger or older. Because at any point you can say, game over.
Come on, teach.
All that I exhaust, exhale, exchange, affirms, and proclaims. It's no more games to play. Thank you.
She's so dramatic.
Coming up called the Soul Council in Brooklyn. I don't know if y'all travel, but it's in Brooklyn. It's going to be March 21st. And it's an event so we can talk about what our human experience
Thank you.
is
I
like. Because we
am.
don't have a
Thank
lot
you.
of opportunities to talk about our spiritual experiences, our human experiences, and the opportunity to be vulnerable together without being aesthetically pleasing. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to be a human at this space and have dialogue with other humans, then you should come to this event. And you can follow me on Instagram to keep up with me and the event at 11 Divine Couches.
11 Divine Couches.
Thank you.
That's it.